Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Narsum Reddy. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, first year MBA, second semester. Today I'm going to discussing about research methodology subject. Under that, we are going to discussing about power of research. The power of research is a critical of making informed decisions. In the presentation, we will explore different research methods and their uses and application and features and types of research. First, we are going to discussing about types of research. Under that, we are going to discussing about two types of research: conclusive research and descriptive research. What is conclusive research? We are going to discussing about used to provide a hypothesis with the help of large and representative samples and statistical analysis. Conclusive research is containing large number of hypotheses, which means null and positive hypotheses it contains. After we are going to discussing about another type, descriptive research. Descriptive research is used to describe an observation and characteristics of a population or phenomenon, and it can include observational studies and surveys and case studies and correlation studies, which means it contains all population data and also observation of students results and results. After that, it contains some studies and faculties. It is observed the research ideas. After we are going to discussing about descriptive research methods. What is a descriptive research method? We are going to discussing under observational research and surveys and case studies and correlation studies. Already we are discussed as a observational research and surveys as case studies and correlation studies. It contain a observation research is contain a group of people we are going to taken and the measure which are the highest and highest frequencies are there, results which what are the results are there. After we are going to discussing survey, what are the highest results and lowest results we are going to discussing. After the case studies, case study it is represent the overall data which is performed highest and lowest, this kind of data can provide. After we are going to discussing about correlation studies. Correlation studies it given explore and clear acceleration between variables without implementing Bayesian, and it can help to provide patterns and relationships of all activities. After we are going to discussing about conclusion of research methods. Conclusive research method. Already we are going to discussing second step. After first, now we are going to discussing about conclusive research first step. Under that, there are two methods: experiments and quasi experiment. Experiments, it means used to establish causes and effect relationship between variables, and experiments under under manipulate and independent variables to see their effect and dependent variables in control settings, which means experiments it controls the variables and and independent through the variable control. After we are going to discussing about quasi experiments. Under that we are going to discussing about quasi experiments, which is determined as used, which is determined when true experiment cannot be conducted, and after because of ethical or practical considerations, which means it is not taken, it is not, it is cannot be uploading it, and it is cannot be taken as ethical and ethical, it is not taken unethical alternatives, and it is similar to the experiments but without random assignment of a participant to groups. After we are going to discussing out uses and applications of descriptive research. The users are going to discussing about marketing research and social sciences and medical research. Under that marketing research, we are going to discussing as understanding the consumer behavior and performances and trends, and involve collecting data and about the marketing segments. After, we are going to discussing about social sciences. Social sciences is given as individual study and societies and cultures, and it helps to identify the patterns and norms and the social issues. After, we are going to discussing about medical research. Medical research is providing study of health issues and treatments and outcomes of insights and into risk factors, which is involved management of media conditions also, which is included in marketing medical research. After, we are going to discussing about why research is important. Already we know research is providing primary which research is provide new ideas and adapting a new alternatives, which is provided through the research. Through, we are going to discussing about research is important like information inform decision making, which means for taking decision making and generate new ideas and build global connections. Under that, we are going to discussing about